How you doing? This is Dr. Harrison's presentation on Chem111. Over here we're going to talk about our titration presentation. We have Ashley Henderson, we have Jesse Reeves, Iguchuke Weezy, we have Casey Leon, and this is going to be group section 20 or 23.
In these titrations, we have interacids. So interacids either counteracts or neutralizes the stomach acid. And we need sodium bicarbonate or magnesium interacids. And both of these are bases, which neutralizes the acid in neutralization reaction. In these experiments, we show if the name or the generic brand works the best by having hydrochloride in the stomach and adding sodium bicarbonate, which is the base, and it dissolves the acid.
So here, what is a titration? A titration is basically when you add a base to an acid and it's neutralized. An acid produces hydronium ions inside water, and it's going to give it a pH of 7 and above. A base, on the other hand, produces hydronium ions in water, and it has a pH of 7 and below. So over here we have the diagram over here where you can see the barrier, you can see the Erlenmeyer flask, and we use sodium hydroxide, and we're putting drops of it inside the hydrochloric acid, drops by drop, and we keep swirling as we drop for 30 seconds until it changes to very pink using the phenolphthalein indicator.
And if it's too pink, then you got too far in the titration. You have to do all over again. In the first lab, we have hydrochloride, sodium hydroxide, but mixed together it made sodium chloride in water. This lab was just to see how titration worked, how to use the bread, how to use the blacks, so we know everything, and to understand the concept of how a neutralization reaction works.
In titration 2, which is coming up, 3, 2, 1. There you go. In titration lab 2, we use calcium carbonate, hydrochloric acid, which produce calcium carbonate, calcium chloride, water, and carbon dioxide. So you might wonder, what is the stomach acid? How does it affect you? Well, it starts from worry or overexcitement or overreacting, pretty much. And in pharmacies, they give you a pill, which is a weak base, which can contain magnesium, calcium carbonate, flavoring, and sugar, starches. And once you take that, it's going to neutralize the acid, making it even.
In the third lab, we have the generic and name brand. In the titration, we did hydrochloride plus sodium hydroxide, which was the titration part. We mixed it together and made sodium chloride plus water. And this helped us determine the percentage of calcium carbonate, which in turn let us know which brand helped neutralize the stomach acid faster. If these two equations show the reactions of these.
So over here we have the bar graph, and we have the name brand and the generic. So as you can tell, the name brand did a way better job compared to the generic brand and neutralizing the base. So it started from 0 to 0.2, and then the name brand stopped at 2.
So we picked the name brand because it worked better, even though it was a bit more expensive.
Exactly.
But overall, you want something that will make their stomach acid go away quicker.
Better job as well.
So in these titration labs, we learned how to use the bread, we learned how to use the blacks. We also learned how to do a titration.
And learn how the process works.